Okay, so let's begin with our challenges. The first challenge which we see over here is API first. From the worst of 10 API security category, which was released in 2023. The first challenge or the first category is known as broken object level authorization. Let's try to solve it. So, what exactly is broken object level authorization? A kind of an IDOR like a scenario, which exploitation is quite easy. I'll leave rest to the people who will gonna watch this video to understand or to read the content, like what exactly is broken object level authorization directly from this OWASP web page. Let's proceed with the exploitation or how we can solve this challenge. What this challenge says? Okay. Drop off during a CTF challenge, no problem. Store a secret note on your profile to track your progress. Your progress and resume to track your progress and resumes where you left off. Interesting. Let's say store a secret note. Do I have any note? Yes, there is get note and there is add note. Okay. What I'll do first, I'll set up a proxy. Okay, the proxy is already been set. So simply what I have to do, I have to click on this settings, then navigate to proxy tab, click on custom proxy configuration and select the HTTP and HTTPS option, followed by the proxy server IP address this and port number 8080. This IP address and port number indicates the pursuit's proxy, which has already been set, or I should say the default interface uh, which we get from portsfigure itself, which we get from pursuit itself. So since this has been already configured, I'll check if my traffic is being captured in pursuit or not. So I'll go to HTTP history. First let me clear this everything. Delete. Yes, I want to delete everything. Let's just increase the font. Okay, and I'll send this get note request. Base URL is this. Okay, and username is equals to user. Send. I get unauthorized. Why do I get this unauthorized message? JWT malform. Okay, so I'll have to log in into the application first, and then I'll have to get the token. Use that token in the get note endpoint. So login. What was my credentials? User one. This one. Body. Yep. So my user is user one, and for the password it is user one at that 123. All right. Send. Authentication successful. Okay. Did this request got captured in pursuit? Yep, it got captured. This too. And here is my JWT token. So I'll copy this token and paste it in my text editor just for future references. Now save. Let's go back to get notes endpoint, and for the authorization header, let's add our token value over here. Okay, this is how we can add it by simply clicking on this bearer token option, pasting our token and sending this request. Error finding user. Okay, why? Because over here I guess I'll have to enter my username, and my username is this user1. So let's do that. User 1, and I'll click send, and yes, I got the status message as success, but unfortunately there is no note available over here. Okay, what if I change this username? Let's send this request to repeater. I have couple of different users also. User 2, oh sorry, user 2, I'll paste it over here. Let's send this request. Success. What about my user this? M13 capital L, and the results are seen. I'll have to enumerate the user, I guess. I can also perform brute force attack. Let's just say, okay, I can do this. Checklist GitHub, and I need a well-known usernames, checklist usernames, top username shortlist. Yes, these are the common usernames. I mean, as of now I will use this one only, this usernames. I will copy this, send this request to my intruder, head back to intruder. I'll have to brute force, I'll have to first the username parameter. So I will select the username. I'll simply paste the word list which I copied from GitHub repo, this one, and repeater. Now the content length is 30. Okay, I'll start the attack, and every response I got, the status code is 200. Is there any changes in length? There is no changes so far, except, oh, there is a small change. For the username admin, the length is 289, but for the rest it is 284. So the 284 length indicates error finding user, 265 length indicates nothing, I mean no note as such, and the username admin indicates the flag. Okay, so all we had to do was we had to simply replace the username and make sure that the username parameter is includes the word admin, or I can say I'll have to swap my username with the admin's username, and I will be able to get the flag. This was quite easy at all. Let's copy and let's paste the flag. Hopefully this should solve our challenge number 1, and yes, challenge has been solved. Okay.